Sydney's well-known Blondie Sea shore is the focal point of its generally huge COVID-19 episode. 30 new instances of the Delta variation in the state of New South Wales. Sunday is in excess of 5 million individuals are under a stay-at-home request. Practice in one of only a handful few regions inhabitants are permitted outside. Australia's New South Wales state specialists said they were all the while tracking down countless new COVID-19 cases locally, raising concerns of a new group as it's anything but an ascent in new infections for the third day straight. A big part of Thursday's July 1, 24 cases were distinguished locally, while the others were at that point in isolate at home, authorities said, as Sydney approaches 7 days of a hard lockdown set up to contain a flare-up of the exceptionally infectious Delta variation. This is a reason for concern. That is the thing that we will be taking a gander at in the following not many days and past as a proportion of our prosperity, New South Wales State Premier Gladys Berejiklian told correspondents in Sydney. She said, in any event, during a lockdown, numerous individuals with influenza S are going about their business and passing the virus on to others. We can't permit that to occur. Expect that you have the infection or that individuals you come into contact with have the infection and act appropriately, New South Wales State Premier said. New Zealand declared that its movement bubble with Australia would be stopped for 3 days due to a limited extent to a group of COVID-19 cases close to Sydney. There are now multiple cases and outbreaks in Australia in differing stages of containment, and the health risks of New Zealand in response to these cases is increasing, the New Zealand government said in a statement. The decision came after Australia's most populous city, Sydney, and the surrounding areas went into a 2-week lockdown to control a cluster of COVID-19 cases of the more transmissible Delta variant.